Welcome to YouTube channel. As per current globalization and expansion of the business, many of the business owners and project managers are looking for the expansion of their business with most suited location and best practices in the world. To finalize a location for the plant required a strategic, long-term and non-repetitive planning. In today's video we will learn the process of selection of location to set up the plants, factor affecting for location of plants, how to set the layout of the plant, method of plant layouts like unit block concept, 2D plant layout, 3D plant layout, process flow diagram preparation and more about project management. The practices we will discuss is adapted by many of the companies in world for set up their new plants. Companies like Reliance, Tata, Exxon Mobil, Aramco, BASF, Dow Chemical, SABIC, Walmart, Toyota Group, Cardinal Health, Mitsubishi Motors and many more companies for setup of their various plants. Let's quickly discuss the importance of plant layout with an example. Let's have the example of block diagram of lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant schematic diagram. You can refer the material is first received at the store. Further electrode material preparation unit is just besides the store room for easy and less movement. Further coating of electrode is done and for the same unit is very nearby. Next process is solvent evaporation. Once the solvent is evaporated, the solvent recovery unit is also nearby. The process area next is calendaring, electrode slitting, vacuum drying and finally it goes to the dryer room where cell stacking, current collector welding and finally cell closing is done. Finally material is passed to finishing, packed and shipped. If you have observed the layout, you can see formation of U-shape in the process where raw material required and dispatched material are at the same location or nearby. Also each of the processing unit are near to each other which represent simple and easy material movement with most economical way. Now further we will discuss about how to prepare the proper layout for the plant. While preparing the plant layout one should keep in mind following things. Maximum utilization of space, minimum product movement with best process flow with smooth operation, principle of economy which means the costing of the process must be economic considering OPEX of the process. Now let's discuss factor to be considered for plant layout. New site development, grassroots, or addition to previously developed site which relates if the plant is totally new or first time for the business owner or it's in addition to previously developed site. Type and quantity of products to be produced. Type of process and product control. Operational convenience and accessibility. Sensible use of floor elevation space, space available and space required, type of buildings requirements, auxiliary equipments. Economic distribution of utilities and services, waste disposal requirements, roads and railroads. Possible future expansion. Once we finalize the process flow diagrams, then before detailed piping, structural electrical design can begin, the layout of process units in a plant and of equipments within these process units is planned. Next is preparation of drawings and elevations, including isometric drawings of the piping system, equipment elevations etc. Methods of plant layout in that first is unit area concept, plot plan. Basic blocks are used to mention units. It gives rough idea of entire plant. Based on a detailed plant layout unit-wise may be prepared as per the diagram. You can refer the simple block diagram where the actual representation of the areas are showed in the blocks. Next is two-dimensional layout. Two-dimensional scaled templates are prepared either for entire plant or for individual units. It gives more details for the space utilization. On-plant layout details of individual equipments, buildings, storage, utilities etc. are mentioned. Two-dimensional elevation plant layouts are also prepared. And next is three-dimensional layout that is also called scale models. Three-dimensional scale models are prepared either from thermocol or plastic material. It represents entire plant with major equipments or buildings. A good understanding about plant can be inferred from it. Software-based plant layouts are common in present era. Such layouts are also made for individual units. We will see the further selection of plant location in next video. Please subscribe and select bell icon for notify and like the video. If you have any doubts or needs more information on any topic, please comment on comment section. Thanks for watching.